Hello everyone, and welcome to my Fashion and Beauty Tips channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Minimalist 10-step routine split into morning and evening rituals, using only essential staples for fuss-free, effective care. Let's be honest, between endless product options and confusing advice, skincare can feel overwhelming. But it doesn't have to be. This minimalist 10-step skincare routine is here to bring you back to the basics, using gentle, effective, and Ayurvedic-inspired practices to help your skin breathe, heal, and glow naturally. Whether you're just starting out or trying to simplify things, this routine is easy to follow, affordable, and suitable for most skin types. With consistent care, you'll start noticing visible changes in as little as 2 weeks. The steps are divided into 2 simple rituals, morning and evening, so that both you and your skin can shine through life. 1. Cleanser. Start your day with a gentle cleanser that cleans your skin without stripping it of moisture. Massage it onto your face in motions on your face for about 40 to 60 seconds to activate the ingredients, remove dirt, and improve circulation. Then, rinse it off thoroughly and lightly pat your skin with a towel, leaving it slightly damp so that products in the further steps can absorb more effectively. This is a crucial step, as if the skin isn't cleansed properly, then the rest of the steps won't be effective. 2. Toner. Apply a few drops of rose water on still damp skin. Rose water is one of the best natural toners. It removes any residual left from the cleansing, prevents acne, minimizes the appearance of pores, strengthens the skin barrier, and wakes your skin up. It is suitable for all skin types. However, it is important to ensure that you are using pure rose water without any added essence or fragrance. If you are dealing with acne, use neem water instead, as the antibacterial and antifungal properties in it help to clear skin. 3. Eye cream. The skin around your eyes is thinner and more delicate than the skin on the rest of the face, which is why it often shows the first signs of aging and tiredness, such as dryness, fine lines, puffiness, or dark circles. Eye cream helps combat these issues. For daytime use, avoid oil-based eye creams and opt for lighter formulations like Aqua. To address specific concerns like panda eyes, use products that contain niacinamide and caffeine, while for eye hollows, ingredients like peptides and hyaluronic acid are helpful. 4. Moisturizer. Apply a light moisturizer, which is made specifically for the face. Using body lotions on the face can clog pores and lead to breakouts and pigmentation. A good facial moisturizer forms a protective layer on the skin and prevents it from becoming dry or oily. Remember to choose a moisturizer and sunscreen of the same base formulations to avoid pilling. For a water-based moisturizer, use a water-based sunscreen. If you layer a water-based moisturizer with an oil-based sunscreen, you may end up with a white layer on your skin or experience peeling. 5. Sunscreen. Top it all off with a sunscreen that has an SPF of 30+. Ensure that you apply it, even when it's cloudy or the sun isn't visible, because UV rays can still penetrate through and cause sunburn, dryness, wrinkles, and other long-term skin damage. In addition, phones and screens also emit blue light, which may lead to pigmentation and dullness over time. To protect against both, choose a physical sunscreen with a blue light filter for complete, everyday protection. Look for ingredients like zinc oxide and iron oxide that protect from both UV rays and blue light. 6. Lip balm. The final step for our morning routine is applying a lip balm. Choose either a clear or pigmented one depending on your preference. Lip balm provides a protective barrier against environmental factors like sun, wind, and cold, while also helping to repair and soften the delicate skin of the lips. Try to use organic and natural lip balms, which do not have chemicals. Look for lip balms that use ghee or beeswax as the base ingredients, rather than oil, as some oils like coconut and almond oil can darken lips over time, according to certain studies. 7. Cleansing. To begin your evening skincare routine, start by removing any makeup or sunscreen with gentle wipes or micellar water. If you've worn makeup, use a small amount of coconut oil to dissolve it effectively. Then, follow up with a regular facial cleanser to ensure your skin is completely clean before moving on to the next step effectively. This double cleansing method helps to remove the residue and dirt completely. Ideally, use lukewarm water and be sure to massage the face wash for at least 30 seconds to effectively activate the ingredients. 8. Apply eye cream. Next, use an eye cream or a drop or two of almond oil around the eyes. Gently pat it in using your ring finger, being careful not to get any product into your eyes. This helps nourish the delicate under-eye area and reduces dryness, dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines over time. 4. Deeper relaxation. Place cool cucumber slices over your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes before applying the oil. This soothes the eyes and refreshes the skin around them, helping the product absorb better. This not only relaxes your eyes but also hydrates and nourishes the surrounding skin, bringing that spark back into your gaze. 9. Apply facial oil or moisturizer. Now, apply a facial oil or moisturizer. You may begin with any facial oil that suits your skin. Almond oil is a gentle option for most skin types. Use just a drop or two, and apply sparingly to your face and neck to avoid clogging pores. For oily skin, a lighter, non-comedogenic base such as jojoba or rosehip oil is a better choice. These oils hydrate without congestion and help balance the skin's natural sebum levels, reducing oil without making it dry. If you do not prefer oils, aloe vera gel is also a good natural alternative. 10. Lip oil or balm. Apply a layer of ghee or clarified butter to your lips to wake up to baby-soft lips. It deeply nourishes the delicate skin and can help reduce pigmentation over time, leaving your lips softer and naturally healthier. Ghee is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, which promote healing and hydration. Ayurveda places a significant emphasis on the use of ghee in skincare, as ghee is tridashic and helps with skin problems caused by all 3 dosas, vata, pitta, and kapha. It hydrates deeply, curbing vata, and also reduces inflammation, which is predominantly caused by pitta. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.